today's IIC session on the topic Leading the Future, Cultivating Innovation and Creative Culture in Today's Leaders. I welcome all the BBA MBA second semester students for this session. Our resource person for today is Ms. Shipra Bhujani Uppal, Assistant Professor, Center for Management Studies at GIBS. I would just take a brief moment to introduce the guest for today. Ms. Shipra ma'am has completed her Master in Business Management from University of Management, Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak. She has a sound impulsive behavior towards academics and research. Ma'am is a JRF NET qualified in management in 2012. Ma'am has about 12 years of teaching experience in reputed institutions. She has published more than 8 research papers in international and national reputed journals and completed one NAPTEL certificate course on marketing management. Ma'am has also participated in more than 15 international and national conferences and presented research papers. Her areas of interest include marketing management, corporate social responsibility, and online buying behaviors. I would now request ma'am to take the session for today.
For your time course. So today we are going to actually discuss in this particular session about the leading the future, cultivating innovation and creative culture in today's leaders. So we are talking about innovations. Here what we are talking about basically is innovations. The innovation basically talks about the creativity of any individual. That how actually you present yourself in the organization. And according to this particular era, culture plays a very important role. Because any organization in which you are going to actually involve yourself, the culture of that particular organization matters to you. How innovative ideas, how new technology, how the things they are implementing in their particular organization, that matters a lot for an individual. For example, right now you people are sitting in this particular college. If the environment, if the people who are working or who are learning as the students with you are not able to actually mug up with your particular culture and all, are you able to sustain? No. That what it is basically diverse culture speaks about. Because diverse culture basically when we are going out of India, different cultures are there, we are not even able to sustain. Why the reason behind that? Because we are not adaptable to that particular environment. We are not able to actually survive. So how we are going to lead about the future? Because we are talking about the thing where we are talking about 3 aspects. First, it is the culture. Second, we are talking about the creativity of the individual, which helps them to actually become leaders in the future world and all. So, culture is totally associated with your creativity because the word is ready to actually grasp your creativity and all. Because if, as an example, also you see, or in recent so many researches and all which are being done and all, it has been seen that whether the US individuals have a great economy, but the education that Indians have, the creativity they do have, US people doesn't have. They use our creativity and implement on their technology, and we are working for them and implementing that particular new technology in the all over world. Because the reason can be so many. It can be that yes, in India we are not able to earn that much of perks. We are not ready to actually invest our creativity in our country. That's what it is. That is why IITians, IIM individuals and all, they used to actually work out of the country because they are able to actually earn that kind of perks. Because they have that particular thought process in their mind that our creativity is being enhanced over there because the resources which we are getting at that particular place are very much in shape that we are able to attain that particular, we are able to enhance ourselves, we are able to actually innovate ourselves. हमारी innovations का utilization जो है that can be done in that particular country. So today we are future, cultivating innovation and creative culture in today's leader. So first we have to actually understand about these four things, that what is the innovation basically all about, what is the importance of innovation, and the creativity in leadership. Because if you are not updated, being a leader, how you are going to impart that particular information to other individuals and all, right? If the things are not being up to the mark, your manager is not able to adapt the technology which you are using in the organization, he is not able to even aware about how to utilize it, how he can expect any kind of creativity or new playing mechanisms that can be implied in the organization, and they can get the word out of it. They can get something different from the word. So that what it is, first is your importance of innovation and creativity that we are going to speak in leadership. Second one, you have to build that particular culture in the organization, that is very much necessary. Because if you have that particular culture where you actually love to give creativity, where you love to enhance your particular population, your employees in the organization, you love to see the creativity in themselves, you actually try to impart the decision making power in them, and all, then only they are able to explore their creativity. If you are not ready, you are that particular rigid organization where you say, this is how it has to be done. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. What I have said, do it only in that particular way. Then you will become a particular kind of a bookworm in the organization. जो कहा गया है वो कर दो, because creativity is not manageable in that organization. They love to only implement their rules and regulations and all. So that what it is very important, that you have to build a creative culture in your organization where you are able to actually get that particular creativity. Then the third one is leadership are very much necessary to actually adapt that particular culture and all, or creativity in the organization. If I have that particular syndrome, that if somebody who is elder or who is younger to me and he is telling or she is telling something new to me, and this is not actually acceptable to the ecosystem of mine and all, then definitely I am not able to actually explore the leadership qualities and all. I am not being considered as a good leader. Fourth one, future trends and leadership and innovation we are going to discuss in today's session. So first we talk about the importance of creativity and all. So all of us are totally aware about that. Yes, we live in a particular technological era where we speaks about technology, where we speaks about the particular trend which used to change on daily basis and all. So when you are working on innovation, when you are working on creativity, you must be aware about this particular fact that the trend, you have to be much way away, or you have to be much way higher, or your thinking level should be much higher to actually understand what the market recent trends will talk about in future. Your vision, your futuristic orientation should be so high that you are able to analyze what is coming in future and all. Like AI type of movies come under consideration, then it becomes like, yes, we are entering into which era, that is known as artificial intelligence. Recent courses of educational system, engineering, the teaching pedagogy is now changing according to that particular thing and all. So that what it is, we have to actually understand the recent trends, we have to actually understand what our future is coming to know about. So you stay ahead of your marketing trends. That is the major necessity if you want to actually survive in today's world and all. ये Apple ने अगर आज 16, 17 लॉन्च किया, तो अब वो 18 में क्या चाहते हैं, क्या कस्टमर की अब एक्सप्लोरेशन होगी, you have to think about that particular thing. Only then you are able to actually snatch that creativity and you are able to show yourself distinctive from others. So you have to always be a step ahead according to the what marketing trends is moving. कि आज जो है, अब उसके बाद आगे क्या होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Then your next term is enhancing the product and services offering. Advantage basically in the innovation phase of competitiveness in the market. If you are innovative, then your survival, then you are able to actually survive in the market for the long and long. So that is what important is all about. So creativity is considered as a catalyst for problem solving also. Because how it has been considered as problem solving? Anybody? How creativity can be considered as problem solving?
Ma'am, unique way of solution.
Unique way of solutions. Absolutely correct. Because creativity enhances now the new ways how this particular problem can be analyzed and can be solved and all. The uniqueness is there because creativity always speaks about three things. That is your distinctive feature, unique, selling propositions, what the USP is totally all about, and how you are different from others. Basically on three parameters your creativity speaks about. So that's what it is. It is being problem solving. It gives you the diverse perspectives, how you can solve your problem and overcoming the stagnation. Stagnation basically कि एक ही चीज को एक ही तरीके से करते बोर हो जाते हैं. We want also something new in our life and all. That what the latest trend is all about. कि एक ही तरीके से अगर monotonous एक ही चीज को लॉन्ग टाइम तक करते रहे तो इट क्रिएट्स बोरेडम, इट क्रिएट्स मोनोटनी इन द लाइफ ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल, व्हिच क्रिएट्स अ काइंड ऑफ स्टैग्नेशन कि वी फील दैट देयर इज नथिंग न्यू, वी आर गेटिंग बोर्ड एंड ऑल. सो दैट व्हाट इट इज इन आवर ओन डे टू डे लाइफ आल्सो. एक लॉन्ग वीकेंड आने लगता है तो हमें लगता है कि वी डू समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आवर डे टू डे लाइफ एंड ऑल. दैट व्हाट इट इज स्टैग्नेशन. वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टैग्नेशन and to actually do this particular break this particular stagnation. What you move towards forward is that is where creativity. You try to create new ideas to actually solve that particular problem. that कि ये वाला weekend हम किस तरीके से spend करने वाले हैं. ये नहीं कि हमारे सारे weekends ही एक ही pattern पे spend होते हैं. It cannot be possible because we as a human beings, our taste, our preferences, our life, our needs, our wants used to change on day-to-day basis and all. So that is why it helps you to remove the stagnation and all. It helps in developing new solution as Sanjay says. That yes, it helps in developing the unique solutions for the problems that creativity holds for. So the next is building a creative culture in the organization. How can you build a new culture? Your communication should be very open with your employees and all in the organization. You should not be a binded particular leader in the organization who actually believes in one-way communication. It is always towards that when you are working in the organization as a subordinate and manager relationship you are entering, then you must be involved yourself into open communication. You must always welcome the creativity, the innovation, the shortcuts. The Gen Z actually try to implement in this particular era. That particular millennial individual should actually adaptable towards that. So that what it is, you must be open towards the open communication. Encouraging the risk-taking ability for any of the organization, for anything. Yes, because creativity leads to risk-taking. Because we are not aware about whether this particular creativity will give profits or not. Because we are actually analyzing the future. We are observing the future in our own way. How it will seems like. But yes, you must have that particular, as a good leader, you must have that particular quality of risk-taking in your own self. Another one is that you should support for your learning and development phase. That yes, because of creativity definitely opens the platform of new learning and development things. Yes, कि डेफिनेटली अब कोई भी क्रिएटिविटी कुछ भी नयापन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे तो उसके ट्रेनिंग सेशंस भी करने पड़ेंगे, उसके प्रोग्राम्स भी रन करने पड़ेंगे, उसका फीडबैक एनालिसिस भी करना पड़ेगा कि इस चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंट करने से प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी की तरफ मूव ऑन हुए इजी गोइंग लाइफ हुई या और ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर बैंकिंग सिस्टम बिकम कंप्यूटराइज्ड इन योर 2000 एरा. लेकिन अगर आप अपने पोस्ट ऑफिसेज एंड ऑल को देखोगे तो दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ लेगार्ड कैटेगरी, जो सबसे लास्ट में आके जिन्होंने अपने बैंकिंग सिस्टम को कंप्यूटराइज्ड होने में अडेप्ट किया. बट दैट व्हाट इट इज, that has made the particular work easier for that particular post offices and all. But yes, the employees who are working, they were not easily able to mug up with that particular system because they were not of that era जहाँ पर adaptability easy थी technology को adapt करने के लिए. Like you people are entering into artificial intelligence era, लेकिन आपके आने वाली generation जो है वो आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा upgraded है. They must be aware about lot many things and all, and to actually adapt that particular creativity, you are opening the particular bars of learning and development phase where you people are going to learn something new and all. So that is why learning is being said कि कोई भी age or every time learning is considered as a continuous process and all. At every phase of life in your organization, going towards the upward ladders, you are actually learning something new and all. So that is why you have to be continuous learning and development phase, where you are going to provide your training programs to the employee, giving the mentorship opportunities and all, facilitating your knowledge and sharing when you are actually inculcating any kind of creativity in your organization. So that plays an important role. But yes, it is also very important that when you are actually creating, so enhancing that particular creativity, मैं आज आप लोगों को कहूँ yes, do something creative and all. It is not easy just by saying you will stand up with your creative ideas and all. Organization actually used to reward these creativities. If there is some kind of recognition, whether in financial motivation category or non-financial one, creativity enhances the ladder of that same. Yes, you are being upgraded or your positions are being upgraded, then definitely you have several new ideas that are cultivating in your mind. Because at that moment, because in organization when you are working only for two things. First is that you want to see yourself in that particular position, and second one is your monetary recognition that you want for any organization. Because in organization when you are working, अगर वहाँ का performance appraisal एक साल तक अच्छा नहीं होता तो automatically you try to shift to the other organization. That's what the mindset of any individual is all about. If we are not able to get our perks as per the percentage or as per the involvement which we are giving to the organization, we are not able to actually achieve that, then definitely we try to switch that particular organization. So creativity also enhances with the help of your monetary benefits. When the organization try to actually reward you, your considerations are being done in the rewarded form. So that's what creativity is implemented. Third one, that is your leadership skills for cultivating the information. Leadership skills and all that are being necessary for any of the manager who is working in the organization. What are the basic leadership things that are necessary? First is you should have your clear vision कि मुझे आगे 5 साल के बाद करना क्या है. ये नहीं कि 5 साल के बाद जब बिल्कुल एंड ईयर पे पहुंचे तब सोच रहे हैं कि आगे अब क्या किया जाए. What is your goals? Your life should be very clear. When you are in an organization, you actually enter in the organization. I am entering with a senior executive. I want to be the manager in 5 years. Then after that, I want to become the CEO and all. And marketing के students के साथ और sales के साथ तो ये बहुत easy वाला ladder होता है, which is being considered as that जितने भी आप अपनी organizational जितने भी टाइकून्स की अगर स्टोरी भी पढ़ोगे तो मार्केटिंग इंडिविजुअल्स आर दोज पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल्स हु आर इजीली एबल टू रीच द लेडर ऑफ सीईओ कैटेगरी ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट इज बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग विद द मेन, जैसे कहते हैं नब्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, कस्टमर जो उनकी नीड्स वांट्स डिमांड्स एंड ऑल को सेटिस्फाई करता है. So at that time when you are entering and all, your leadership qualities which is being said, that is what you should have your clear vision that what exactly you want to be, what type of creativity you are aspiring and all. Like aligning team effects. अब ये नहीं कि creativity speaks about कि हाँ अब कल को हम ये चाहें कि लाइफ में जैसे अभी हम आए हैं इस पर्टिकुलर एरा पे कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कार्स आए, अभी थोड़े टाइम में जितना ट्रैफिक जैम मार्केट में बढ़ रहा है थोड़े टाइम में हम चाहेंगे वो फ्लाई भी करें ताकि हमारे को ट्रैफिक के जैम्स में फंसना ना पड़े। ठीक है, हमारे को ट्रैफिक हर्डल्स एंड ऑल से जो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ऑल होती है, सो दैट व्हाट इट इज द एस्पिरेशन, so that what it is technology advancement, your creativity, your ideas, thoughts and all about. Fine, so that what you are must be aware about your clear vision, aligning your team efforts with your goals and all. What are the team efforts you are actually imparting? Your goals should be aligned with that. You are working on the same objectives. Your organizational objectives, your own objectives should match over there. Only then you are able to impart the leadership skills. आपके goals अलग है, organization के अलग है, और फिर ये सोचो कि हम दोनों के goals एक जगह जाके मिलेंगे तो कभी भी पैरेलल चल के नहीं मिलते, पैरेलल लाइंस मिलती हैं. So that what it is. Your goals must be totally aligned with the organizational goals. Only then you are able to achieve that particular ladder of leadership. Then third what is your adaptation to changes. अभी मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया, पोस्ट ऑफिस was the laggard category, सबसे लेट, जिन्होंने लास्ट में लॉक किया जब सारी दुनिया ने कंप्यूटर्स को बाय बाय करने के बाद टेक्नोलॉजी को एडवांसमेंट पे आ गई, तब उन्होंने कहा अब हम इसे लेने के लिए तैयार हैं. तो वहाँ पर हम टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट को हमारी कैटेगरी लीडरशिप स्किल्स को कभी भी अपग्रेड नहीं करती. वी मस्ट बी इनोवेटर्स, वी मस्ट बी इनिशिएटर्स when we are actually moving towards our leadership quality, कि हमें change को adapt करने की part जो है that should be high. Then building and leading the diverse teams and all. Diverse teams, we talk about, yes, from different cultures, from different values and all. Try to actually create that particular package in your organization. ये नहीं rigidness with particular culture that employees from this culture can only be the part of this organization. ऐसी होती हैं organizations जहाँ पर easily entry उन particular culture की बहुत easy होती है. So that what is it should not be there. Then you are binding your organization and you are breaking that, you are creating that particular hurdle and all when you are not actually adaptable or moving towards your cultures. You should always lead to the diverse teams. Valuing differences, collaborative decision makings and all play a very important role. Because of collaborative decision making, it is not only the leader who is taking the decision, it is the decision of all members of the team which is being taken by each and every one. That should be important. When you are taking the decision unanimously, then definitely you are able to actually lead towards the creativity and all. If your organization is one-man show and one man is leading that particular show, and then all the rest, all the profits, all the losses, every step is the individual's responsibility. No, because it is one-man show, what they are actually trying to portray. Fine, valuing the differences. So you must value the cultural differences as well as your creative differences of different opinions, because from different age, different era, different individuals are actually entering in your organization for the same. देखी थी ना फैमिली मैन, देखी है?
Yes ma'am.
देखा था उसमें वो अपने छोटे से ऑर्डर नहीं ले पाता है. Manoj Bajpayee was not able to take the orders from the boss, who was actually 10 years younger from him. So that what it is? That what it is, a generation gap. Basically all about the culture difference. But अब organization है, तो organization के अंदर जहाँ पर 25 years का individual होगा, तो वहाँ पर 59 years का individual भी बैठा है. Maybe he is not the CEO of that organization and 25 years old individual is there, but you have to manage that organization. Only then you are able to actually inculcate any kind of creativity while empowering and inspiring the teams and all. So, leading by examples, you have to actually set the examples and all. You as a leader should always be in front. You have to lead by example that your team must try to follow your steps. You must be that kind of individual. Your persona should be that. Yes, in decision making, we all are together. But ownership should always be taken care by the leaders only. That, yes, the portrayal, the risk-taking ability, that is mine and I am taking the responsibility of my team for that particular area. Then encouraging the autonomy and constructive feedback should also play a very important role when you are actually inculcating your creativity and the culture in the organization. Constructive feedback plays an important role. Time to time feedback about each and everything that is happening in the organization plays an important role. It must be aware about that कि yes हमारी organization में क्या हो रहा है, कितना सही, कितना गलत, किस तरीके से होना चाहिए, आज की जनरेशन क्या चाहती है, what exactly today time calls upon. That is very much important when you are dealing. The last category, future trends in leadership and innovations. So according to you, what is the future trends and all, what are advancements that is coming in context with your leadership and your innovation? अपने अकॉर्डिंग बता दो, what according to you see as your futuristic era that is coming after 5-7 years and all? What upgradations you are looking in the organization? 5-7 साल बाद जाना है ना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, बिजनेस करने जाना होगा, वो बिजनेस भी डिमांड करेगा इनोवेटिवनेस, वो बिजनेस भी डिमांड करेगा आज के रीसेंट ट्रेंड्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना। बिजनेस भी करोगे तो उसको भी पापा वाले स्टाइल में तो रन नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि जेनजी की डिमांड और अल्फा और बीटा जो आ रहे हैं वो तो तुम्हारी जान ले लेंगे अगर पापा वाले मिलेनियम ट्रेंड पे चले तो। That what the reality is, because this generation gap we are not able to cross, तो हमारे लिए हमारा मतलब और फास्ट है। Yes. Robotics and all. मेजर काम तो आगे तुम्हारे रोबोट्स करेंगे। More than half. जैसे अब तुम्हारे से एप्लीकेशन नहीं लिखी जाती। You people are helpless generation actually. क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें एप्लीकेशन लिखने को कहा जाए तुम सीधा चैट जीपीटी ओपन करते हो। That's true. चाहे लैंग्वेज के लिए करो, चाहे कंटेंट के लिए करो, लेकिन अब क्या है, माइंड को स्क्रैच नहीं करना चाहते। So, embracing the technological advancement.
Don't talk that.
So that is what particular this era is. Future trends and innovation and culture basically speaks about कि आगे तो robots के culture होने चाहिए, human beings के culture नहीं। वो कौन से बने particular उससे feeded language से आया उसके ऊपर matter. So that what it is, leveraging AI and data analytics, that is playing a very important role in upcoming era. Because of creativity, AI is the only tool that we are able to see in each and everything, whether it is a restaurant, whether it is a traveling thing, everywhere we want that. आने लगा है ना कि AI ऑटोमेशन से कार चल रही है, यूएस में रोबोटिक्स रेस्टोरेंट्स खुलने शुरू हो गए हैं, जहाँ पर आप बस कॉल करोगे या बोलोगे and they are able to actually deliver the food and all. थोड़े दिनों में खाना भी मशीनों में ही खाओगे। वही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड ऑल गैजेट्स, ये जो तुम्हारा AI है, that what advancements basically speaks about. So implementing digital transformation. न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन्स में, होर्डिंग्स में तुम्हें एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं, अपने फोन में एडवर्टीजमेंट देखना पसंद है। ठीक है, कौन से इन्फ्लुएंसर ने क्या कहा, कब कहा, उसका इन्फ्लुएंस तुम्हारे ऊपर ज्यादा है। कौन से होर्डिंग में किसने क्या कहा उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। So that what influencer marketing, content marketing playing a very important role in this particular transformation. Sorry. अब इसका इम्पैक्ट ऑब्वियसली सस्टेनेबिलिटी पे भी आएगा ही आएगा। इतना कुछ चेंज करोगे तो एनवायरमेंटल के ऊपर एस्पेक्ट, CSR एक्टिविटीज के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट डेफिनेटली आएगा। एनवायरमेंट में कैसे आएगा? डैम्स कम पड़ जाएंगे मेरे को तो लगता है, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इतनी ओवर यूज होने लगेगी। अभी पेट्रोल कम पड़ता है, फिर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जो गैजेट्स हैं, हर चीज है तुम्हारी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उस पर आ जाएगी, तो डेफिनेटली वी विल बी हैविंग स्कार्सिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ओनली। उसके बिल्स एंड ऑल इतने हाई होंगे। अभी तो चूज कर लेते हो केजरीवाल जी को 200 यूनिट फ्री पे।
Yes, ma'am.
कल किसको करने वाले हो? कल किसको करने वाले हो? Okay, prioritizing, yes. Prioritizing environment. Organizations are increasingly focusing on the minimizing their environmental footprints by adapting eco-friendly products and services in the market so that they are able to actually maintain the environment. As well as corporate social responsibilities are increasing. Now every organization which are in the world, they have to actually impart their profit share ratio into corporate social responsibilities also. Otherwise, as an organization, they are not able to survive. This one is their global perspective that yes, the cultural adaptation and your international collaboration will be always be there. So yes, definitely कि आपको, because you are living in a globalized era. In globalized era, you are able to actually adapt that particular culture and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Please fill the feedback link. It has been shared by Harshita on the classroom and